When Apple Watch Series 8 got launched, we were hurt, we were disappointed. Why? Because there were very few tweaks. Yeah, but there were some subtle battery improvements. But with Series 9 in the picture, there are a lot of rumors going on in the market. There are a lot of expectations going on in the market. And that is why we are here to discuss about Apple Watch Series 9 leaks and rumors and everything about it. I am Hardik. Welcome to iGeeksblog. The first rumor that I want to talk about is a new chip. It is strongly rumored, people are talking about it, that Apple Watch Series 9 is gonna launch with a new chip known as S9 chip. And let's face it, we have seen chips before. We have seen S8, S7, S6, but they were the same chips more or less with different names. But this time we need a new chip. Why? Because we need better power efficiency. And once we get better power efficiency, that means we'll get a better battery backup. And in today's day and age, where there are watches which give you 30 to 45 days of battery backup, we being Apple Watch users are satisfied with 12 or 18 hours of backup. So we deserve to get a bit greedy, right? Another key feature which is strongly rumored, people are talking about it, is a health sensor. The Apple Series 9 watch is rumored to be launched with a health sensor. Now, for the longest period of time, we have known that Apple is working on a health sensor, which is either a glucose monitoring sensor or a blood monitoring sensor. In fact, there was also news that Apple was working on a new sensor which is often used in monitoring glucose levels, and we were expecting it to be out with Series 8, but that never happened. So for Series 9, I am placing my bets with glucose monitoring sensor. Also, we can expect a BMI sensor, if not a health sensor, because many watches out there in the market, they are already offering it, and it is actually a useful feature where you can measure your bone density, you can measure your water retention, and many more things. Now, we all know that Apple Watch Ultra had a strong build. It had a boxier design, and also on the other hand, we know Apple for a fact they do this thing where they'll take their key product, their main product, their hero product, it'll take their key features, and next year it'll put those key features into their base variant. So that might be possible with the Series 9 as well. Now, since we are on this topic and we are talking about Apple and its tendencies, there is one thing for sure, that Apple might not release a lot of new features or make changes to their design, but one thing is gonna be there, and that is some new color, their hero color. And I would love to know which color you would like to get Series 9 watch launched in. What is gonna be your take on it or your choice for it? Comment down below for the same. And while you are at it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel iGeeksblog.